Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to change the type of appointment. Please note that the user is able to add, remove, or change the available booking types from the diary settings. For more information on how to customize the available booking types, please refer to the Booking Type Setup user manual linked in this video's description. From the diary screen, double-click on the desired patient booking. The Add Edit Booking screen will open. Click on the Type drop-down menu to view the available options. Click on the desired booking type. If the user would like to exit out of the Add Edit Booking screen without saving any changes, click on the Cancel button. An attention pop-up will open advising the user that unsaved changes will be lost. Click on the Cancel button if the user does not want to lose unsaved changes. Click on the OK button if the user would like to discard all changes and return to the diary screen. If the user would like to proceed with the booking, click on the Save button once the user is satisfied with the information on the Add Edit Booking screen. The selected booking will now be displayed with a different booking type.